Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So let's start today's video. So today's GFG POTT is about merge sort on doubly linked list. Now let's see how can we solve this particular problem. So this is our linked list. We are asked to apply merge sort on this particular linked list. So to find the merge sort, we need to to apply merge sort, we need to find the middlemost node first. So what is the middlemost node here? It is 0. After that, what we will do, we will split this into two linked lists. So my first linked list will have all the nodes starting from head to the middlemost node, that is 9, 15, 0, and my second linked list will have the remaining nodes. Similarly, I will apply the rules here. I will find the middlemost node, then we'll split this linked list into two linked lists. The first linked list will have the nodes starting from head to the middlemost node, and the second linked list will have the remaining nodes. Similarly, I will apply the same rule here. After that, we will start comparing and sort this linked list and merge it. Again, we will compare and sort the linked list and merge it. At a point, we will get this particular answer. So let's see how can we apply this merge sort on our linked list. So to apply merge sort, what is the first step to apply merge sort? The first step is to find the middlemost node. Now, how to find this middlemost node? We will use the simplest method, that is called tortoise method. Now, what is this tortoise method? So in this tortoise method, we will use two pointers. One will be slow and one will be fast pointer. So what does the slow pointer do? It moves slow, obviously. That means it moves one step forward. And what does this fast pointer do? It moves two steps forward. Okay, so now let's see how to find this middlemost node. So at first, my slow pointer will point to head and my fast pointer will point to my head. So my slow pointer is pointing to head, my fast pointer is pointing to head. Now I will move my fast pointer two steps ahead first, and I will move my slow pointer one step ahead. So when I have moved my fast pointer two step ahead, where it is pointing to? It is pointing to the node 300, and my slow pointer is pointing to the node 200. Again, move this fast pointer two steps ahead. Move this fast pointer two step ahead. Simultaneously move this slow pointer two step ahead. My fast pointer is pointing to 500. My slow pointer is pointing to 300. Since my fast pointer has reached the last node, so we will end the traversal here. But did you notice one thing? That we have reached our middlemost node. So this is our middlemost node. Now how to split this into two linked lists? Let's see how can we split this into two linked lists. So this is my middlemost node. Now to split this into two linked lists, what can I do? The simple thing that I can do is update the address to null. Now why? Because the address, this stores the address of the next node, and here the previous stores the address of this node. So if I update this node to 0, that is null. If I update this node to 0, that is null. Can I say now my bond is broken? Because now there is no bond, since my next pointer is now pointing to 0 and my previous pointer is now pointing to null. So I can say that there is no bond between these two nodes. So I have divided this linked list now into two nodes, that is 9, 15 and 0, and here I have -1, 0. Similarly, I will apply this tortoise method here also. Fast pointer will point to my head, slow pointer will point to my head. Now start the traversal. My fast pointer will point to two steps ahead. My slow pointer will move to one step ahead. Since my fast pointer has reached the last node, so I will stop my traversal here. But by that time, I have reached my middlemost node. Now split this into two linked lists. How to split? Make the next 2 0. Make the previous 2 0. Okay. Now I have 9 and 15. And I have 0 in my as my second linked list. So now what? Now I will again apply the same rule, that is the tortoise method. So if I apply this tortoise method again, my fast pointer will point to head node, my slow pointer will point to head node, move this fast pointer two steps ahead. Oh my god. Now it has crossed the boundary. So my traversal will end here. But by that time, my slow pointer is pointing to the middlemost node. So split this now. 9, 15. But before that, you need to update these values to null. You need to update the address to null. This is done. Now let's do this. Let's split this now. What is the middlemost node? How to find the middlemost node? We will use the tortoise method. Slow pointer, fast pointer. Fast pointer is pointing to head. Slow pointer is pointing to head. Move the fast pointer 2 steps ahead. It is crossing the boundary. So my traversal will end here itself. But my slow pointer is now pointing to -1. So split this into 2 linked lists. That is, one will have -1 and one will have 0. Now let's sort this and start merging. Is my 9 less than or greater than 15? It is less than 15. So sort and merge it. What it will become? It will become 915. Again. So it will return 915, right? Now we are having here 9. We are having here two linked lists. That is 915 and 0. So is 0 less than 9? Yes, it is less than 9. So sort and merge. 0. Return this. Okay, so now you need to merge. Now you need to sort this particular thing. Is my -1 less than or greater than 0? It is less than 0. So sort this thing. Sort the doubly linked list. It will become 0 -1. Now compare these two linked lists. Is my 0 less than or greater than -1? My -1 is less than 0. So it will move forward. Is my 0 less than or greater than 0? It is equals to 0. So let it be here. So this is what my linked list will look like, right? Now let's see how can we implement the code now. So this is the base case. If my head is equal to null or my then return my head. This is the base case. Now I need to find out the middlemost point, the middle node. So middle node, and here I'm splitting the linked list into two linked lists. This will start from middle node. At last I will merge. Now let's implement the split function. My slow pointer and my fast pointer will be pointing to head at first. Okay, now what? While my fast is not pointing to the last node and it is not crossing the boundary, I will be traversing. Move the fast 2 steps ahead. Move the slow pointer 1 step ahead. Store this in temp. The next. Why the next? Because and my slow next I will update it to null. Similarly, I have to update my previous also null. I was updating here. My previous was becoming null and my next was becoming null. So I'm doing the same here. At last, return my temp. Now let's merge this. How to merge? If my first linked list is null, I'll simply return the other linked list. There can also be the case that my second linked list is null. If my second linked list is null, I will return my first linked list. If my L1 data is less than or equals to L2 data, what I will do? I am comparing here. I will sort the linked list here. So L1 next. I will sort it recursively. make the previous null, and at last return my linked list. Or else, if my data is greater than the other data, what I will do? I will do the same thing. At last return my L2. Okay, so I'm done with. Now let's compile and run. Okay, so compilation completed. Now let's submit. Okay, so the problem has been solved successfully. So let's end the video here only. But before that, do subscribe the channel to get similar content, as gaining a subscriber and a like in my videos does motivates me a lot to be consistent and create such content. So do subscribe, like and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys again tomorrow.